What's up folks, my name is Felix. Welcome back to a new video where we are going to talk about the RABBY wallet and DEBANK. Originally, I have planned to do a video on Starknet, which I will then release tomorrow. But yesterday they posted something on Twitter, so the RABBY wallet team, which clearly hints to a future airdrop. And as was this post, get ready to smile for the camera. And they would have definitely written it different if the snapshot already happened. So I'm pretty sure the snapshot will happen sometime in the future. I think we are getting pretty close to this date, and that's why I decided to show you in today's video how you can qualify for this airdrop. And of course, the first thing you have to do is downloading the RABBY wallet. I'm using RABBY as well as MetaMask. This has to do with the testnets for all the airdrops, and you can just do them on MetaMask. Otherwise, I would just use RABBY because I think it's a way better product. You can switch chains automatically. You don't have to do it manually. And you can also remove approvals and other kind of stuff in the wallet. But this is not a wallet tutorial. This is an airdrop tutorial. That's why we now want to concentrate on the points for the airdrop. So again, first thing you have to do is to install the Chrome extension, or you can also download it as a desktop version. It is currently not available for mobile, but probably in the future. And once you downloaded it, you just click on your Chrome extension and click on the wallet symbol in the top right corner. And there you can import a seed phrase or a private key, or you can of course also generate a new wallet, which I don't recommend for this tutorial because we want a wallet which is already in use where you have funds on, because the first thing we have to do is to do a swap on here to get a badge. And you do that by just clicking on the swap button. Then you can choose the chain. And for example, if you want to swap BNB into USDT, you just type in the amount, and then you can click on get quotes. I would only do this on a RABBY wallet, not on MetaMask, because MetaMask is charging way higher fees. What RABBY wallet here in this case is doing, that's an aggregator which searches you the best quotes, so the cheapest DEX where you can swap your assets. Then you want to tick the box here, so it would guess that you automatically get the cheapest fees as well as the cheapest transaction fees, which would in this case be the 1-inch DEX aggregator. So you just click on it and do the swap over here. If you have not given the permission yet that you can use 1-inch, you have to do that first, and then you can swap this via 1-inch. And this will give us the first badge which we can claim on DEBANK, because the RABBY wallet is from the DEBANK team. This here, for example, is one of my wallets. And what you want to do here is come over to the more button. Of course, once you connected your wallet, then you can, for example, also follow my account if you want to do it. This is my main account on YouTube, which I use for high ROI dApps. And this is my public airdrop farming account, where you can see all those layer 2 networks and all the tokens I have in this wallet, and where I provided liquidity and all this kind of stuff. So once you are on this dashboard, again, you can just come over to the more section. And you now want to claim those Web3 badges that you are a RABBY user. And here are some badges. For example, if you received certain airdrops or received trust, have followers, or for example, if you scroll all the way down, if your wallet is older than 100 days or 1000 days, you will get all these badges over here. The badge we want to now concentrate on is the RABBY valued user. Therefore, we just click on this badge here. After we clicked on here, we get this code, we copy this code and open our extension again. And then we come to the more section and click on claim the RABBY badge. Here in this case, I already did it, but if you haven't done it yet, you just insert the code and claim the badge. Then what you can also do, which from my perspective is the safest way to qualify for the RABBY wallet airdrop, is to come back to the home section and mint one of those so-called Web3 IDs. Therefore, you click on this button, and this ID costs you 96 US dollars. So it's not that cheap. And if you don't want to do it, I completely understand this. You can, of course, also try to qualify through all the other steps. So doing swaps on the wallet and claiming all the other badges. But I think that's the most safest way to qualify for this. So I wanted to show you this as well. So the first thing you want to do here is type an ID. For example, I would type in here in this case DDD, and I click on pay mint. Then it says it's already taken. So I just type in, for example, DDD ETH. Then I click on pay mint ETH again. And then I first need to register an account here because I need to load up a balance. to pay this fee here. That's why I click on register, and again click on register down here. And then I have to switch to this wallet because I currently have another wallet chosen on my RABBY wallet. Once you switch your wallets, you can again click on register. Then you choose a network where you want to pay the gas fees for it and also deposit the balance. I can recommend you to do it on the Binance Smart Chain or on Polygon because those are the cheapest. So just click on the Binance Smart Chain, click on next. Then you will have to confirm this once in your wallet. You click on sign and create and confirm. And then we have to do a registration on the contract, which just needs you to pay gas fees. So I'm paying this gas fee right here. And this should be done in a few seconds. And then you can deposit a balance here to pay for the Web3 ID. The registration was successful. You can set a password, which I do now. This is a code or a password of 6 numbers or 6 letters. I just confirmed this, and now I could deposit some funds on here. So I would just click on deposit to L2. I choose the chain, for example, the Binance Smart Chain. I want to deposit some USDT, and you need to deposit at least those 96 US dollars. I would say 100, and then confirm the deposit. Of course, you need the funds on this wallet. And once you have the funds on this wallet, you just come back to home, and then you can click again on mint your Web3 ID. And this should automatically qualify you pretty sure for the airdrop. What you can then do after you minted this Web3 ID, you can come back to the Web3 badges and also mint the Web3 ID user badge, which is down here. So the holder badge, you just click on it and mint this badge once you purchased it. So if you want to go the organic route and don't pay for this Web3 ID, again, completely understandable. You just use this wallet day by day, do your swaps in here, then you again can do your approvals and other kind of stuff. And you can of course also do sending transactions to other wallet addresses. This should also qualify you for the future airdrop. If you have not used RABBY yet, I can really recommend you to do it because RABBY, in my opinion, is the best wallet out there with all the functions that are included. Yes, it has no mobile application yet, but pretty sure in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below this video. If you don't want to miss tutorials like this in the future, you might also want to subscribe because I release those videos on a daily basis. And if you liked today's one, it would be great if you hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.